Okay guys, so this video, welcome back to your girl Annie. Alright, so today I'm just gonna show you how to make coconut milk. This can be used to put in your rice and peas and also your corn porridge or any other porridge. I want you also want to use a healthier milk. Alright, so I'm just gonna extract these by using a knife to lift it up and then pull it out. Alright.
Shape my destiny. I'm so thankful for the things that you told me.
Right,
yes, I am.
Right up. This
Can never repay you for all you've done. I remember you would say time and time again, the Lord will make a way.
Okay guys, I've already blended this portion of it already. So what I've done was I've chopped it up in some fine pieces and put it in the blender with some water or the same coconut water and just blend them. Okay. I'm blending it. Alright, it looks smooth. So okay guys, so we're going to strain it now into this pot. Sorry about the dog, the noise. Yeah. So you can just watch. Okay guys, so here's the finished product. So rich and nice. So this is the best thing for your rice and peas. You can use it or you can use some and put the rest in a bottle and put it in the fridge.